Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's final presentation of the Greatest Showman medley Part 3. In this lesson, we're going to practice what we learned for the last 2 sessions and then learn the final part of the Greatest Showman medley so we can play the whole piece. So, let's begin by getting our instruments warmed up.
We are going to warm up with some of the notes that we need to play the Greatest Showman. So, our first note is going to be a G sharp. Have a listen to this. Copy me, please. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Our next note is going to be F sharp, which is our first finger on the front of the clarinet here. Copy me. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Our next note is going to be C sharp, which is our 3 fingers on the front of the clarinet with our baby finger on the side here. Copy me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done.
We're going to revise what we've done for the last 2 weeks on this piece. We'll start by playing the introduction, and then we'll sing Rewrite the Stars. Then we'll play the introduction to This Is Me, and then we'll sing This Is Me. After this, we'll move on to learning the final part of this piece. Remember that you can pause or rewind the video at any time to go over any part of it again.
Today we move on to the last part of the Greatest Showman. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, A, G. Okay, we have to remember that we are playing F sharps and G sharps. E, F, A, G. Okay, sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we move on to the second phrase. It's exactly the same as the first phrase that we've just played. Okay, so listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, A, G. Okay, don't forget we are playing F sharps and G sharps. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And now we move on to the next phrase. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. E, E, G. Don't forget we are playing G sharps. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And now we move on to the final phrase. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. E, E, G, G, F. Don't forget we are playing G sharps and F sharps. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well done.
We are now going to sing along to the final part of This Is Me. Don't forget to pause and rewind as many times as you like before we play the whole piece. Before we start, here's a reminder of all the different sections we will need to sing and play. First of all, we play our instruments in the introduction. We then sing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars?
We play the first part of This Is Me. Then we sing This Is Me.
Look out, 'cause here I come.
We then play the second part of This Is Me. And then we sing the final part of This Is Me to finish.
This is me.
Well done everyone, you've done a fantastic job listening and playing along with each tutor, and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this or any other of our videos as many times as you like. Why not perform your own concert at home playing all your favourite pieces that you've learnt with us? Keep up the good work and look out for more playing opportunities on our website.